Morning Monday! Yay! Monday na naman, start of the week. So let's all stay positive, think positive, and do positive.
I saw my elementary school bus and school service. My school service, my van, our school service van.
Sabi ka doon, Mickey ko. Go up there, yan.
Our school service van went to Sorrento.
Okay. Baka may hinatid-hatid sila doon. No? Gusto niya raw mag-school bus. Eh, ilang hakbang lang yung bahay namin sa school niya. Saan kasi sa school bus eh. No? Yeah, let's all have a great
You know where
day.
my classmate studies?
Where?
Kainta Rizal.
Classmate mo eh.
Oh.
Before.
Now, in Kainta Rizal. That's
Ay, classmate mo eh. Paano napunta sa Kainta?
that's his school service.
Okay. Study well, kids. Bye. God bless.